Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options available on this Motorola. Begin by opening Settings. Now choose Sound and Vibration over here and click on Vibrate for calls. From here you can select the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. In my case, always vibrate. When you're ready, click on the back button. Now scroll down and tap on Advanced. Then scroll down again and click on all of those switches next to charging sounds and vibration, touch vibration, and outgoing cool vibration to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!